Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark a task as complete in Asana. You want to go ahead and click on your task here and you'll find the tasks that are associated to you. Or you can go ahead and click on a project and you'll find those tasks. Now, they're easy to do. If you're on, for example, a timeline, you can hover over the task and you'll find a checkbox or you'll find a check here. You can simply click on that, mark the task as complete. Or you can even click on the task, it's going to open and you can easily mark the task as complete at the top here as well. It doesn't matter which view you're in, you can easily find those tasks and mark them as complete. So this is just an overview, right? You're not seeing the task right here. That's okay. Click on the list, for example, you'll find the task. And again, you can do the same thing, mark it as complete from here, or even click the details of the task so that you're inside the task and you can mark it as complete as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to mark a task as complete in Asana.